Everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 799 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have another LA Colors makeup product to try out. This is the Precise Eye Marker that I have in the shade Black. It says Precise Lining and Contour. It's a liquid eyeliner. This was sent to me in PR, so just disclaiming that it was sent to me for free. This is not a sponsored video, and I'm going to be very honest with my review of this, and I did not see very good ratings on it, which makes me a little nervous. And I saw that you can get this at Dollar General. It's also available at Walmart. It's less than $3. And so let's check out the applicator on this. Looks like a really pointy felt tip. Here's what that looks like. Try out a swatch. This seems great. It's flexible. It's not pokey, like it's not gonna hurt my eye. It's a full black color. It wrote really nicely and no smudging, no fading. This seems great to me so far. And I have been trying out a lot of expensive, high-end liquid eyeliners that I've been getting in my beauty subscription boxes, which I'm honestly kind of tired of getting, but I have a lot to compare this to. This eyeliner that's less than $3, but so far it seems up to par with those expensive eyeliners. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna line my upper lash line and we'll see how it does. Ooh, yeah, you can get a very precise skinny line. So I'm gonna do skinnier at the beginning, at the inner corner, and make the line get thicker towards the outer corner. I'm kind of having a hard time getting it to have enough ink. I'm like, is it drying out already? I really feel like the tip doesn't hold enough product on it, so I can't get a very smooth application. Like the line is not filled in. That's weird. It doesn't glide on. I'm like, did it already dry out? Kind of. Like it was dry at the very tip of the applicator, which is where I need the product to come out of. I need to like use the side of the applicator, and that just doesn't seem right. So, okay, I was able to do it, but not easily. That's such a bummer. Yeah, I just tried to draw a line and it's like completely dry. And like I can't, when I shake it, like I don't hear anything. All right, that can kind of explain why there would be low ratings on this if it dries out very easily and you can't even line your eye. So you can see like I can't even really get a full line across my eye without it drying out. Yeah, like this is turning into a fail when I can't even line both eyes when I just opened this for the first time. Now I'm even trying to fill in the line with the side of this, and it just feels completely dried out. Yeah, I can't even, it's like completely dry. Oh man, this is turning into one of my biggest failures so far. There's no, like I can't even use it. There's no product coming out. That's a bummer. So now I just have one of my eyes lined. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to finish off my eyeliner look for the day with one of those other many black liquid eyeliners that I have. So it just goes to show that even though a brand can have a bad product, doesn't mean that all of their products are bad, because you know that I love like 99% of the LA Colors makeup products, and just because I tried out an eyeliner that was definitely a fail doesn't mean that I'm not going to try out any more LA Colors products. But I really appreciate you watching this video today. I feel bad when my makeup tryouts turn out to be such failures, but I guess that's the point of this trying a new makeup product everyday series, to know what products are good, what products are worth it. And you know what? I realized that I probably need to place an order for makeup soon. I'm probably going to order from Ulta is what I'm thinking. I'll probably place an Ulta order online. So if there are any products that you would want to see me do reviews on, let me know in the comments down below, because I'm going to place that order soon and I would love to get some recommendations. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy. Social distance, stay at home. I just like to put that little reminder in all of my videos to make sure that we're all doing the best that we can during these difficult times. See you tomorrow.